my dad, myself, my wife, and our TV producer, that's the one that does the show, we flew to New York and we had a 1 hour meeting with Gary in his office. He was like, oh my God, this is awesome, man.
It's very similar to his story.
Yeah, very, well, if you think about it, we plagiarized his whole thing, right? He was a Wine Library TV.
Yeah.
We created MetabolismoTV.
Yeah.
Right? So it was based on his idea. So I wrote the story and I told him how he, changed our life, changed everything for us, right?
Yeah.
So he responded back, this is on his email.
That's cool.
He said, wow, it wouldn't be me if I didn't give you, like he called it, a right hook. You know how he says like jab, 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 right hook? Give, then ask. He's like, I'm trying to sell a lot of my new book, which is the Ask Gary Vee book, right? If you give me 1,000 books, if you buy 1,000 books from us, I'll give you a one-on-one. So I said, let's do it. So it's $15K, bought 1,000 books, all right?
Yeah.
My dad, myself, my wife, and our TV producer, that's the one that does the show, we flew to New York and we had a 1 hour meeting with Gary in his office.
Wow.
It's Jersey Boy, Garyvee episode number 29. We're there on one of his episodes on a meeting that we sat down and we got a lot of value from it. At that point, my dad was still heavily invested on TV. And at that point, Gary's number one advice was after 1 hour meeting, he said, look, I'm gonna give you the biggest advice. This is 3.5 years ago, so like 3 years, 3.5 years ago. And he said, I want you guys to all figure out what is the least take home that you need to survive, to pay your bills, to meet, whatever you need to do to make it. It was 4 of us there, right? Just figure out what is the least take home. The rest of it, all of it, every single penny, put it on Facebook. That's what he said. Put it all on Facebook because it's going to go away. So we got out of that meeting. My dad, 66-year-old man, right? Old school, traditional, electrified by Gary. I've been telling him one of my main purposes of getting him to go with me was to, hey, I cannot close you fully. Let me see if Gary can, right? He already had given me a small budget. I was already growing. It was like going well. It's like we're expanding. He was like, whoa, this is good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But he didn't fully went all in yet. After Gary, we went all in. We got out, we got on the Uber, and he said, okay, son, we got it all. Let's go. I'm cutting the cord on the TV over there, and I'm doing that and doing this. Let's go. And then we started skyrocketing from 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. We went up to 1 million in the next year and a half. And then on Facebook, we started doing heavy advertising on it. All the leads started generating from there. So that was one single meeting that actually changed all of us after meeting with this guy over there. So I use his energy to close it. So I have 1,000 books. I think I've given about 50 away. So if anybody wants one of these books, you can contact me, and I'll you gotta just pay with shipping. Pay for the shipping. Right?
Nice.